Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply make an admin in Microsoft Teams app, or like out of a, I don't know, user or member. So what you want to do is just be in Teams, and now let's just click on the three dots next to the team that I want to change the members. Click here, and then I guess like the how to plan for T, I got a member here. So I'll just click three dots here, and I can make him owner. So right now, when I go again back here, I can see this owner, and I can make him just again make member out of owner, and voila, I'm a lone owner. So this is pretty much how we do it. This is really important to make owner out of someone if you're leaving the team, or like it needs to have an owner if you want to leave a team. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.